yes, it's going to be under pressure. Yes, what we will be under. When you lose 2 games, go Orlando Pirates, upeti crimen jengale, you will be under pressure. Ile situation yabo Cardoso. Because Pirates now, once you start losing, Baba na this thing with we fighting for a league, you never won the league. It's a marathon. Now they start doubting you. Jobusho, when they start ipetwe premiership, Baba na this thing with you. Magakala nyakumbula Marumo Kalansi beat them 2-1 away.
They lost 2 matches.
And then they start saying, why do it's going to be a problem. So, this is the second round of the season. It's going to be difficult for what, honestly. Unama players. Pirates have signed, identified quality players, but Lama player need awareness, a coach, a coordinator outside. We call on them which week in and week out, even in today as an attacking player. Udlala ngomakhehleni ngihlale ngisho mina makhehleni suspect for me. Mawuzodlala ngomakhehleni lapha makhehleni ngikhuluma nge-energy intona zine-energy. They had the energy in today's game. Pirates in the middle field kune tendency when they win onke umuntu ushaya izandla, but they rely in certain players. Especially kunama games nje coming after AFCON, they rely on certain players. Pirates in the first round of the season we know ukuthi bebazokusaka. We know with everybody. They badlala ngama department. And bona ke different between them and Sundowns up front was so dangerous. Front four yabo ne 3. So build up yabo bengekho slow. We Umbogazi could play and a shy pass a breaker line window even in the middle idlula idabula wele ku striker pinpoint. But now they don't have somebody like that. In today's game, I don't think Kumakhehleni had a good game for me. Azange compliment even Nomtechela. I don't understand why the coach keep him so long. I understand the Galeganjani game because I watch him 3 games in a row. There's no energy. Lomfana ngambona ngimcomplimentile lomfana ngambona when he started Orlando Pirates. He gave accountability to mfana. Uyaphakamisa isandla mina simshale, but now I don't understand why I keep him. I think criticism is also good. You keep the player uNombule outside uNombule injury free. Playing. If this one is not performing, playing. If uzothi uspana how? I just want to know he's an attacking player. Want to see him on the ball, what is he doing? Even defending, I can't say yes, we are not a massive pitching ball. Ganjalo give my savings because he's attacking midfield.